Hello, it's Dolly. I am back for our mini kit Monday to show you what I completed on my layouts, even though there's process videos, and to show you what product I have left and what I am going to do different next time. So anyway, these are the 4 layouts that I completed. They are all from 2017 at a corn maze and pumpkin patch. Every single one of these are from the same place. And so anyway, let's just get started. As you can tell, I used this background paper is photoplay. I used chipboard. I used cork that I pulled. I used some acetate here. I layered. I used a bag here for hidden journaling, and I used my burlap leaves and flowers here and put enamel dots right there, and used this enamel character that came from Echo Park. So that's layout 1. Layout 2, I used my 6x6 papers, and I cut out these circles and layered them. I inked them. I used a sticker here, and then these are those enamel characters here. I've got chipboard, stickers, acetate, and then of course a paper saying here, and then there's acetate there. I don't know if you can see it very well in this little bear. I'll bring it up here real quick, and I wasn't looking. Hopefully there wasn't any glare. All right, so that's layout 2. Layout 3, which would be the 3rd week of October. So that first layout would be the first Monday of October, the second Monday of October. This would have been the 3rd Monday of October. And here, this layout inspiration came from a sketch by Becky, so you need to go check out her sketch. She revealed 4 of them, and also my video shows the sketch. All right, so we have a brad that I used. I cut out these papers from the Vicky Bouton line. This background paper is Amy Tangerine from Hustle and Heart. I used a wood veneer here, and this is some more burlap. I used some leaves here. I've got some washi tape right there, journaling, and a tag. Like I said, there's a video. This is my last layout, and this one I'm using My Mind's Eye. Most all the product is from My Mind's Eye. These little blue enamel dots came from the kit that I received from SCT. It's a little sampler kit you can get once a month. And then a wood veneer, and then an enamel dot here. And then this card came from that kit. And then I've got enamel heart and enamel circles there. Wood veneer, I'm not wood veneer, I'm sorry. Chipboard, and wood veneer, and then an acetate, and then I have some thread here, and like I said, I just did some layering, and those are the 4 layouts that I completed for the month of October. And now for what I have left. I'm just going to warn you, I have far too much left because I pulled far too much product to just complete 4 layouts. So I am going to reuse these products, and unless it's a real tiny piece, and I don't think I'll tuck it in real soon. But this is what I have left. Didn't even touch this. I've got a white. I use that for backing. I have this piece here, and I used it. Didn't touch this piece. Did touch some of the canvas, I guess you would call that. This is Vicky Bouton. I'll keep this. Didn't touch this. So I didn't touch 1, 2, 3, 4 full sheets of 12 by 12. So see, I actually pulled enough product to do probably 8 layouts. And then I also kept my sampler kit. I separated it. You will normally receive 2 different products that they're featuring, and my for the month of September, it was the My Mind's Eye collection called Well Hello. So there's my I should have 5 sheets here. Maybe 6. Maybe I didn't touch them. They send you 6. So I have 5 because I used 1. And I used some of those enamel dots, and I used one of the 3x4 cards. So I'm keeping this. I'm going to use it on a future layout. And then the other one that they were featuring was the Becky Booten. So I didn't even use the word. I used one word on the layout. It's not, and then that's not part of Becky Booten. It's part of the sampler kit. These right here is, oh my goodness, not coming to me. Say it, guys, say it. Ah, I forgot. And then we got these 3L, wow, foam dots. All right, so these items all are in here. Same thing, I don't know how many. Let's see how many of they give you 6. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I didn't use any of them. So I will keep that because I do have some 12x12 Becky Booten paper, so it will get used just like I've got my mind's eye. And we will keep that together. It makes my job easier when I put things back. All right, ladies and gentlemen that might be out there watching, thank you for stopping by. Go back and look at, if you haven't seen my videos for any of these layouts, just go back and look. They're posted every Monday, and it's called Mini Kit Mondays. Check out the other ladies' links, and in a couple of days I will have my kit reveal for November, and it'll be the first Monday of November, and I don't have a calendar in front of me, so I cannot tell you what the first Monday in November is. I think it might be the 4th or 5th, maybe. So anyway, all right, we'll see you next time. Bye.